How to create Yahoo account easy and fast in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create Yahoo account easy and fast. So first thing, go to login.yahoo.com and it will take you to this page right here. Now all what you have to do is click on create an account from here, or you can create it already with your Google account. Click create account and now write your name, your last name, your email, for example Mark Jacob, and your password right here, and then choose your birthday date, and your gender, and click continue right here, and your account will be created. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also you can create account with Google right here as you can see. And please, if this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.